Morgan.
My throat seems a little sore, so I may sound a bit strange for a while. This has nothing to do with the fact that the professionals we are, we managed to lose half of our audio footage. If you like our level of professionalism, please consider smashing on that SUV.
Hello viewers. We are here at the Auto 2018 car show. And we have a SUV from Volkswagen right next to us. Let's find something more interesting. The fire equipment is quite good. And also the recycling is quite good.
Come on, forget the overpriced Fiat. We need to see a diesel Skoda. Here we have the first look of the Lamborghini Urus.
Here we have our first look of the Lamborghini Urus. Urus, it sounds like a vital internal organ. Something like liver, maybe? Blah 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 blah.
Q8 with some hexagons, but it looks quite good.
Here we have Korean tires.
We need to find the Stelvio Quattro Stagioni Margherita because this Lamborghini Urus and the Quattro Stagioni are two of the best looking SUVs right now. I think they're completely pointless, but they're good looking.
Look at this cute little Kia. It's trying so hard to be a sports car that it almost becomes one. Oh, how nice. It has these air vents and everything. Oh wait, these are fake air vents. Here's the Kia Gin Tonic.
I'd rather have business.
And here we have a nice looking Kia Stinger GT, and I have one question. Why is it here, and why aren't we driving it? Kia, please.
It's the 1994, this is the 2018 Mitsubishi L200.
And look, there's rural hillbilly Jerry.
Oh, how nice. My throat doesn't seem so sore anymore.
Mercedes has actually brought a car from 1995 to the 2018 auto show. But I guess you can do that.
Angry YouTube commenter be like, that's from 2010, you nitwit WTI.
Behind this crowd of Beverly Hills people, we can see the new Suzuki Jimny, Mercedes-Benz G-Class. We have the new Urus Megane somewhere over here, and I'm excited. And I need to go to the toilet, but first I need to go to look at the new Urus Megane. Plenty to like in here. The screen doesn't turn off, and I don't like it. But these seats are really good. Recaros, they're the cup package. And we have loads of fake carbon fiber, which always makes the car faster. In fact, this little strip here adds 2 horsepower to the car. That's what the Renault rep told me. And we have Alcantara on the steering wheel. In the wrong place. It should be here, and it's here, but I don't care. It's Alcantara. And this version has the EDC gearbox with quite sturdy feeling paddles, but I would have the manual. And this car has the rear steer. This car has the rear wheel steer. Rear wheel steer. Rear wheel steer. This car has the rear wheel steer.
The rear wheel G-string.
Zing.
It's something to look forward to next spring. because we cannot fully make up our minds about the i30N in comparison to other hot hatches before we've driven this. And that's the truth, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, it is fake. What a shame. Here we are at the Peugeot booth, and I just sold my Peugeot yesterday. So I'm gonna spend some time here and cry. But it already seems like this car is crying, as you can see from the headlights. But it actually looks quite good, I must admit. Do you agree that the 508 looks quite good?
Yeah, it does.
But it's also crying as I am because I sold my Peugeot yesterday.
Lion tears.
Okay, let's kick this energy up a notch.
Let us do a totally surprising kamikaze entrance to the Hyundai booth.
Hello, we're the Finnish car guys and we want to congratulate you on the i30N. It's an awesome car.
Great.
Surprise element 1 million.
I'm tired.
These are the cars that are in the overtaking lane and they're not overtaking anybody. And there's 3 of them in line, driving slower than the guys in the right side lane. Nissan Qashqai, the official car of driving too slow.
Apparently me meeting a BMW driver in a supermarket parking garage.
This is the Range Rover Velour. I'm pretty sure I pronounced it quite right. It's lower than I thought it would be, and the roof line is quite low, and I've run out of things to say about it. We finally found something that we were looking for. A race car.
As Shakespeare once said, out of my way grandma, me sees a race car.
Air-cooled ducts. I mean the brake-cooled ducts. Straight out of my vacuum cleaner. This looks fucking cool. I want to test drive this one. Here's the future of Jaguar, and I've watched some reviews of it and people seem to think it's quite good. What do you think of the I-Pace? Random visitor, Jerry.
I'm surprised they're driving an electric racing series with it now, and I don't really know how it fits for that, but we'll see.
Yeah, but it's kind of SUV-ish, but then again, it's not that high. When you look at it has those massive wheels, yeah, but other than that, it's quite low. There's a concept of Audi and study in whether you can replace the 4 metal rings with LED lights, LED lights.
Oh, how nice.
And I think you can. I'm not sure why you would do so. I'm not sure why your headlights are going blue and then green and then white, but maybe that's electrical.
Zing.
Maybe that's what we all want. Do you want lights that go green and blue and yellow and then off?
I'm just thinking whether it attracts mooses or it doesn't.
I attract Moses.
You also made that little baby cry, you freak.
Prepare yourselves to take a look at the most overstyled car there is. Let's see if it's as overstyled in person as it is on camera. But, well, you guys will see it from camera. The biggest fake vents ever fitted to a car. These ones.
Because even the regular Civic looks quite sporty, so there's no point in trying to make the Type R look like a spaceship. Blah blah blah, I wonder what I'm saying here. Can someone make me stop scratching my nose and eyes back and forth? Gonna catch a hideous eye infection sooner or later. Oh, the audio's back.
Where is Jerry? Has he found another woman somewhere? Doesn't it smell like pizza? It's quite funny. There's a distinct smell of pizza in this area, and I think I know where it's coming from. The Stelvio Quattro Stagione.
I can do an impression of quattro stagioni. And I can smell the pizza already.
Stay on point, please.
I think Alfa styling is on point at the moment. But then again, look at the normal Stelvio, it looks like crap. The detailing guys of Alfa Romeo here at Auto 2018. That's a little too much tire dressing, I think.
Well, wouldn't you enjoy a little too much dressing on your quattro stagioni, you freak?
But on a serious point, the interior is actually, I think it's very nice. As you said, I like that they're implemented this iDrive sort of system that you don't always have to reach up there. And the shift paddles, they're actual metal and they have a really nice feel to them. I really hope I will get to drive this or the Giulia Quattro Stagioni at some point.
And it has Alcantara in the right place.
It actually does, yeah. And not too much, because Alcantara will wear out if it's here. You will need a new steering wheel in like a couple of months. Ladies, beware. Jerry has found a Miata replacement.
Look at that happy face.
Can I have it?
Not until you've finished your broccoli.
And here we have the remnants of Colin Chapman.
But I have to say I really appreciate them showing up here because they won't actually sell any of this.
In Finland that is. I really hope they would though.
Look like an idiot. I look like an idiot anyways.
Someone casually scratching Jerry's neck. Somewhere under this supercharger there is an engine.
Dear Mercedes, I don't think this car is finished.
Zing.
It's missing some of the vital components of
Finished.
Kablamo.
No pun intended.
This will be a bit of an embarrassing moment for the Finnish car guys. We need to find the e-Rallycross project because they have a Rallycross simulator and some Finnish YouTuber has the top time at the moment. But what they didn't count on is Jerry.
Oh, how nice.
Jerry needs to set a new record or else he's walking home. You need to set the record or you'll walk home.
I'm reviving my race car dreams right now.
Do it for the FCG. Look at this happy little creature called the Suzuki Jimny. And it's the new model. It looks a bit like a G-Class that has been shrunk by a mad professor. Let's take a closer look. And look at the interior. It's so simple, it's amazing. I really like this. Everything is manual and analog. No digital gauges. No automatic gearbox. Not even automatic four-wheel drive. You have the stick for the drivetrain over here. And then the manual gearbox over there, obviously. I really like this thing. I want to have one of these. I can drive over.
Let's not go there, okay?
Can the Finnish car guys fit into a Twizy? Because obviously we're quite tall people. This is the new 3 Series, which is the same as the old 3 Series, and we're not interested in the old 3 Series. This has like 2 more horsepower and that's it. And someone added some styling cues. What we're interested in is this. Not that girl's bottom, but the car.
Let's not go there either.
I really think this is the return of the great Grand Coupe Ford. There hasn't really been a car like this from BMW or Mercedes or anyone. Well, the S-Coupe, kind of.
Hello, we are Finnish car guys
And this is the fake exhaust reveal of the new 8 series.
Partial juice box straw status confirmed. Also Illuminati confirmed.
To our fan in Switzerland, we promised to film a Mini, so here's the Mini. Let's do a fake exhaust reveal. They're real.
That's enough. I'm out of here.
Look at how professional we are. We both opened our laptops immediately after leaving the premises. Auto 2018 car show is now behind us and our jackets are empty, as they say. What's the most important new car that you saw in there?
I think it's the Suzuki Jimny for me.
I was just going to say the Jimny. I'm quite sad that you stole it from me. But yeah, the Jimny, it looked awesome and the interior looked awesome. It would have been even better without the screen here. Just basic manual instruments, analog gauges and everything. And what was it, 28,000 euros?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we talked with Suzuki and they may let us do a test drive later on in the winter so we can do proper winter off-road stuff with the Suzuki Jimny, and that's going to be great.
But apart from that, 3 different versions of a Qashqai, a lot of diesel cars, and what else?
Yeah, that's the Finnish car culture for you, basically.
Old people sitting in Mercedes.
Old people sitting in Mercedes or Qashqais or Skodas. There's nothing wrong with that, but that's not the enthusiastic approach to cars. But there was the new Urus Megane. I'm very much looking forward to driving that. It has the rear wheel steer, which I found very hard to say. Let's just call it rear steer. And they validated our parking, which was nice. And we have we had some sandwiches. They were good.
They're really nice.
And good coffee. And some domino cakes. Did you have any domino cakes?
Yes, I had 3 of those. Really nice.
Not that many exotic cars. There were a couple from luxury collection Helsinki, I think.
And you can't touch them because you can't touch them.
Yeah, they're behind a velvet rope, so no normal people can go and touch our Ferrari from 10 years ago. But they had a Lamborghini Urus, which I haven't seen before. Giulia! Quattro stazioni. Our camera gear says we need to stop. Everything is fucking break. Fuck this shit. We're done. Okay, that was the Auto 2018. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was the most. Okay.